Hi there, let's play through Unchained Melody. We're going to do it in the key of D. If you need to review anything about the chord progressions, song arrangement, I'm going to be doing some fun picking. Please check out the tutorial. All the information is for you there. I'm just going to dive in here. Here's my arpeggio pick. If you like, you can also just do a slow swing strum for today. Choose your own adventure, as I like to say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. 6, 1, 2, 3. Here's verse 1. Oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for your touch. Verse 2. And time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much for you. Are you still mine? I need your love. Oh, I need your love. Godspeed your love to me. Here comes the bridge. Lonely rivers flow to the sea, to the sea, to the open arms of the sea. Yeah. Lonely riverside, wait for me, wait for me. I'll be coming home, wait for me. Back to verse 1. Oh, my love, my darling, here it comes. I've hungered for your love, your touch, a long, lonely time. Verse 2 again. And time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. Here it comes again. Are you, let me hear you, still mine? Chorus, I need your love. Oh, I need your love. Godspeed your love to me. Outro. To G and N on D. Beautiful. Thanks for singing and playing this one. I hope you reach those high notes. Don't worry, I won't know. Only you know. But I really hope you went for it. Thanks so much again for joining me. Remember, you can review this video anytime you need. You can leave out the picking or the strumming just to work on the chords. Likewise, you can leave out the chords to work on the picking or the strumming, right? Choose your own adventure. You don't have to do all the layers all the time. Just repeat it as many times as you need with as many layers as you like. Enjoy, and I'll see you for the next video. One more quick thing. If this video was helpful to you, I encourage you to consider becoming a member. It's a great way to say thank you, to help keep this channel going, and also to enjoy some extra perks and resources on your musical journey. You can learn more by clicking join below next to the subscribe button, and I really appreciate the support. Thank you so much.